What's going on? Here's another one that we're doing. I'm just gonna start videoing all the random things that are actually kind of fun. Sometimes it's normal collision repair, but then when you get some old school stuff, it makes it a little bit more interesting. So if you check it out, we actually got some bent frame rail action here. So we gotta do some framework on this thing. Test drive of the Bronco. Did all the wheel bearings, hub assemblies in the front. That's key in making any of these trucks drive tight, is even though you do steering box, all of that, you got to have wheel bearings and all to make it tight as well, because that definitely comes into even your steering play, which this does not have very much at all. It's a very tight driving truck now with doing that to it. So, yeah, this rides smooth. This is that 4-inch rough country kit. Man, it's very smooth on the front end of it. Very cool truck. Enjoyable to drive, and most of the time, older 4x4s, that's hard to say that it's comfortable to drive. This truck is comfortable to drive because it's not too stiff. The kit is not over articulated in the sense of it's not the 4-inch kit stretched to a 6. Springs are soft. All the steering geometry is back where it should be. And other than the straight pipe that this truck has on it, it's super cool. So great build on this one. If you're looking at a kit, that 4-inch is a great way to go. Definitely a good one. It's a 1996 Ford Bronco. Now the Broncos are super hot right now. This one is it's the very last year of the Bronco, so cool to get this one in the shop. Obviously a very cool color, pretty rare honestly. This truck came to us with some front end damage, so we were able to fix it up. We actually lifted this truck last year. Did a 4-inch 33s. This 4-inch rough country kit is holding up great. It's pretty hard to beat how good this rides. I'm just going to give you an idea that the suspension is that soft. Like, it rides so good, nice and tight. We did new wheel bearings and rotors. If any of y'all have any quotes you want done, you can just email us right below. I'll enter in the link right here. But you can just shoot us some pictures or anything you've got and want an idea or price. Maybe you've got a project that needs some work, but you get an idea that you can get a lot done here.